Recording in progress.
Hello, this is like a revision for the practical part of grade and year 7 HTML. Okay, here we're having our sample of website. Just right click the HTML file, open with. At the end, it should look like this. Here we're having a title in the middle with dark blue color, and we're having a subtitle. This is a paragraph, and the word drawing is made bold, and that one is highlighted. We're having a horizontal line, an image. Again, we're having a paragraph here and a hyperlink. When we click on it, it will open a website, and we're having a third subheading here with a colorful, يعني it's colorful in red. And we're having here a table out of 4 rows, and you need to replace this with your name, class, and PC number if we are in the exam. How we did so? In the exam, I'm gonna give you a folder with the drawing or the photo you're gonna use in the exam. Okay, assuming this is our folder. It will be in document, for example. And I'm going to have the photo here. It's a must to have the image with the HTML file inside the same folder. What you're gonna do, simply right click, new, and create a text document. Name it as term 1 exam. Okay, then open it as we're doing every time. File, save as, and .html to change its type to an HTML file. Save. Now inside our folder, we're having 2 files. One text document, the other one is HTML. Just delete this one. There's no need for it. Start editing your HTML file. Open with Notepad. Now we're having an empty one. Start by adding the HTML main tag. Open tag HTML. Close tag HTML. Okay. Then I'm going to structure the head and head close, head open, head close. In between, we're having title open and title close. Okay, we're going to add a title as my favorite hobby as a title. So in between, I'm going to add my favorite hobby is. Well, in the exam, I'm gonna give you the text itself just to copy and paste, okay? Hobby. This is our title. Then we're going to structure the body open and body close. Now we're ready to start adding the web content. But before that, you are structured to change the background to light blue. And light blue should be one word. I'm going to write here in the open tag of the body, style equal, and this is a fixed equation. We're changing after equal, we're having quotation. What we're gonna change in the equation is the property and the value. Our property here we're changing is background dash color. Column, the value of the color is light blue. Okay? Don't forget to add semicolon. So when we are changing the style, you have to write the same equation. Style equal background dash color, style equal quotation. In between, add your property name and then the property value. Whatever بقى your property. Then we added already the page title. We need to structure each one as my favorite hobby, drawing. So we need to add inside body open and body close, H1 close, and then I'm having the title itself. Doesn't matter if there is a space or not, I think. I'm going to click save to see if everything is correct or not. And I'm advising you that you need to open your website as usual. يعني after every step, open it on Google Chrome to see if everything is going right or not. If there is a problem, you're gonna spot it out. But don't wait till the end and then see what's wrong. Okay, now I'm having the background, and here is my title. Then we need to align the heading to the center, change the heading color to dark blue. Again, our equation inside the open tag here, place your mouse, style equal. After equal, yes, quotation, then inside it, our property now is color. To change the font color, it's only color, column. He said it should be dark blue, and again, dark blue is one word. We're done. So semicolon to finish the first property. Space. The second one is having it in the center. Text dash align colon center. Semicolon. Just file, save, refresh. Okay. Center semicolon. So, did I wrote dark blue wrong? There was a spelling mistake. So whenever you're correcting or checking your codes displayed on the website, after every step, everything will be okay to figure out your problems. We're done with the first step. Number 7 is to add a heading from type H2 as Why I Love Drawing and change its color to purple. Just I'm going to add H2 open, H2 close. Then in between them, I'm going to write my subheading, I love drawing, and simply add the same equation, style equal quotation inside it, color, colon, it's purple, okay, The value here is purple. Took an extra space, it's fine. Okay. Save. File. Save. Refresh. Voila, we're done. Then we're having to add a paragraph as follows. In the exam, I'm giving you the text. Instead of wasting your time in typing, you're just gonna copy and paste as I'm doing now. To have a paragraph, we're going to write, just take an enter, P open and P close. Inside P open and P close, you're gonna add your text. Again, do we have to add any formats? Yes, we're having to format focus and imagination to be highlighted in yellow. So I'm going to surround focus and imagination. Where is the word? Yes, this one. So I'm gonna surround the two words themselves like mark open and mark close. Okay, slash mark. I guess there was something in bold. I guess the word drawing. Again, if you need to have it bold, have like be open and be close here. Just click file and save. Refresh. Okay, we're having our paragraph as a normal text. Focus and imagination is marked and or highlighted, and drawing is in bold. Add a horizontal line after that. So after our paragraph, we're going to write HR. Okay? Just click File and Save. HR doesn't have a closing tag. We're having our horizontal line. Then we're going to insert our image. So after HR, add IMG, SRC, equal. After equal, quotation, yes. Back to the folder. The name of our image is drawing. We need to write it exactly the same. So I'm just rename and taking a copy of the name. And as you can see, mine here is PNG. Maybe in the exam it could be JPG. So bear in mind to check the type of the image. Just go and type PNG. Then slash and close. We need to change the width to 700, the height to 700. Okay, so inside the tag, I'm gonna write width equal 700. I did something wrong. I didn't surround 700 with quotation. As after equal, there should be a quotation. Click save and refresh. We're having our image. I'm gonna have a height equal 700 as well. Just save and refresh. Okay, it's gonna bigger. It's so too big. I'm gonna make it smaller. طيب بصوا هنخليها like مثلا 400 and 400. Okay, this is okay. And it's fine if you change it only the width. I just added the height to show you there could be a height and width. Yes, usually, as we did in the class, change the width, and we're having like what we call aspect ratio. اوكي بعد كده Add a paragraph as follows. You can learn more about. والباراجراف ده لازم الفونت بتاعه يبقى 30 px. So after the image, we're going to add a paragraph P, open and be closed. Add your text inside. And we need to see what we're having now on the website before changing the size. Refresh. To change the font size inside the P tag, you know now, style, again equal, quotation, font dash size. This is our property, colon. Font size has a numeric value as 30px. And don't forget to add the semicolon to end the property. Just click save and refresh. And here we're having it. And we need to add a hyperlink to open artistic website. To have a hyperlink, you need to write a tag as A open, A close. Here, I'm going to write what will be displayed on the website as the word open artistic website. This is the text will be displayed on the website. To add the link itself, it should be inside the open tag here. Each ref equal. أحط اللينك بتاعتي. Okay. Just refresh. We're having our link here. We're almost done, except for adding a heading, just like why I love drawing. I'm gonna do it quickly as you know the steps. Just each two and each two close style equal quotation color font color to be changed. It's only color. This is dark red as a one word, semicolon, save, fresh. Okay. Finally, we need to add a table with 4 rows and 2 columns. A table border must appear on the final website. The table width is 500. Fill the table with provided data. To add a table, I know the table is somehow hard. Please concentrate. We're going to add table, open, and table close. Okay? Then inside table open, I'm going to add border equal. They said border should display it. I'm going to make my border size like 2 as doubled borders. Okay, the width should be here. Any property should be inside the open tag. Width is like 500. How many tables, rows we're having? Actually, we're having 4 rows. One, sorry, بس يعني zoom is not that good in drawing. Okay, ادي 1 2 two columns و four rows. We're structuring our tables by rows. We need four rows and two columns. 1 2 3 عايزين رو كمان. اوكي دي بعد كده two columns. طيب هنعمل ايه؟ هنبتدي نstructure the first four rows. To structure rows, you need to write inside table open, table close, tr open and tr close. لازم يبقى عندي four rows. tr is table row. tr tr close. tr tr. اوكي ممكن على فكرة ناخدهم copy يعني عادي. tr tr. اوكي طيب I structured the four rows. تعالوا كده نشوفهم. file save refresh عشان مفيش أي حاجة مكتوبة جوه. Then I'm going to add inside the first one أول row هحط جواه th table head th close. الهيدنج اللي جواها مكتوبة فين؟ في التابل with provided data ممكن نعمل opening للanswered one was here. It's above in the document itself. Day وactivity. So the first heading وليه heading عشان bold ومختلفين فهحطهم هنا th open th open. Day is the first one. Take an enter and again add th open th close وهحط جواها activity. تمام ده كده التيبل هيدنج بتاعنا. نعمل سيف ريفرش للويب سايت كده نشوف شكله ايه. day activity. طب this is the heading inside the second tr اللي هو second row. هاجي هنا كده واكتب td normal data td table data td open td close. The first one or Monday sketch practice فهكتب هنا Monday. Then I'm gonna add the other one which is sketch practice هنا td open td close. But save. We're gonna have the second row and then I'm going to add inside the third row that one. I'm taking an enter to make the code organized. But if you wrote them يعني without entering and that indent and so on, it will be okay. T, D, open, T, D, close. Then it should be Wednesday, shading and whatever, Friday, free drawing. Okay. And again, I'm going to copy. And add shading technique. Save, refresh. We're having the second one. And for the third one, it's easy. You can do it يعني. طيب بعد كده Friday free drawing. I'm gonna do it. عادي. Inside TR open and TR close. I'm going to write TD up, TD close. Then a TD open and TD close. Each cell should be in TD open, TD close. This is Friday, and we're having a Friday free drawing. Free drawing. We're done. Stay. نعمل بس refresh. Finally, we need to have like a bullet points with your name, class, and PC. To have a bullet points, you need to bear in mind it will be numbered or bullet points. Numbers will go in between. OL, if you need it number, OL open and OL close. OL open and OL close. Then I need to structure the last items, which are my name, class, and so on. I'm going to write LI open, LI close, and have my name here. Then LI open, LI close, and it's my class. Grade and year 7. And finally, you need to have a third one for your PC number. Close, save, and refresh. Okay, now we're having 1, 2, 3. If we need it to be bullet points, just change this one to UL, unordered. The first one was ordered. UL. Save, refresh, and we're done. Finally, after you're done, okay, make sure to close your notepad after saving it, definitely. Okay, and we need to create a Word document, okay, blank Word document, double click this one, the header here, and write your name and class. Close header and footer. Then take a screenshot of your website by snipping tool like this and paste it here, and take a copy of your code like this. Sorry, open it with Notepad, select all, right click, copy, and paste here. Good luck, inshallah. Wish you all the best. Thank you.